Hi, I'm Delpy and welcome to Byte Unlocked. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the Infinix Note 11 Pro. Now, this device has been pre-released to specific tech YouTubers around the world, but we haven't seen it here yet in our region. Obviously, it might launch any moment from now. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the overview, which is basically the specifications this device will be coming with. I'm Delpy and welcome to Byte Unlocked. The Infinix Note 11 Pro is once again a very big bad boy. Now, this device is coming in with a 6.95-inch IPS LCD display. Well, of course, it's an LCD display, but they found a way to make it more attractive by adding a 120Hz display. So, of course, you're not losing a lot. Yes, 120Hz is something that drains battery a lot, but Infinix went ahead to add up to 5,000 mAh battery capacity to the Note 11 Pro. So you don't have to worry about your battery draining when you're on 120Hz as well. Now, still talking about battery, they went ahead to add up to 33 watt fast charging to the device, which gives you juice from 0 to 50% in about 20 to 25 minutes and 0 to 100% in close to 50 minutes to an hour. Now, this is quite mind-blowing because within 50 minutes, your device should be fully charged if you are using the Infinix Note 11 Pro. And of course, these are based on reviews from other techies who have had the pre-release version of the Infinix Note 11 Pro. The other features of this device includes the MediaTek Helio G96 processor. And this processor has been Infinix's main go-to processor when it comes to putting a SoC in their device. Of course, it does well with gaming, but not too much because when you're stressed or when you stress the device so much, it gives you the heating up issue and some little thermal throttling issues with the device. Hoping that Infinix Ghana will be able to send us a review unit when the device launches in Ghana. But anyway, for $249, this is what you're getting for the Infinix Note 11. I'm Delpy once again, and big shout out to Rick Aqua for making me use his studio for this video. Do make sure to subscribe to his channel, but subscribe to mine first. I'll catch you guys in another one. Stay safe. Peace out.